I'm Whitney from Sugar and Sparrow, and this is my favorite way to make rainbow swirl cupcakes using just 4 colors. I divide my vanilla buttercream into 4 separate bowls. Into the first bowl, I add a few drops of pink food coloring and mix it in to create a light pastel pink color. I have details on my vanilla buttercream recipe and the exact colors I'm using in the video description below. Once I get the perfect pink, I mix up yellow, blue, and purple in the remaining bowls. These 4 colors will mix together in the piping process to make all the colors of the rainbow. Next, grab a piece of plastic wrap and lay it on a flat surface. Then pipe each color onto the plastic wrap in this order: pink, yellow, blue, and purple. Gently roll up the plastic wrap so that the pink and purple end up next to each other and all the buttercream is enclosed in a tube of plastic wrap. Cut off the end of the tube and place it into a piping bag fitted with the piping tip of your choice. I'm using Wilton Tip 1M here. Now pipe a swirl starting in the center of each cupcake and rotating around the center just once before releasing pressure. This is what the finished swirl looks like. I love how the colors blend together in the piping bag and how whimsical this design is. It's perfect for a rainbow themed birthday party, St. Patrick's Day, or any fun celebration. I used my vanilla cupcake recipe for this tutorial, which is linked in the video description, but it will work with any cupcake flavor. These are particularly soft and moist if you need a good from scratch vanilla cupcake recipe though. If you're looking for more tutorials like this one or want to check out my cake recipes and ideas for your next baking project, head to my blog at sugarandsparrow.com. You'll also find lots of videos like this one on my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button while you're there so you never miss a new video from me. Thanks for watching.